Hi everyone, my name's Alicia and this is the last day of the Pure Hearts retreat. I found out about them on Instagram and I just knew straight away that I was going to come to this retreat, and as soon as it was like 10 minutes of stepping in PR, I just knew that this was going to be like amazing. And literally like in the evening we had a prayer and worship session, and as soon as one of the Pure Hearts team came to hug me, I just like broke down crying because I just felt so free. I would actually encourage like every girl to come and experience this because it's such an amazing experience, and I know I'm not leaving here the same way.
To come to a Pure Hearts retreat, I mean, it's been so awesome. I came feeling heavy and burdened, and I'm leaving just feeling so free with peace and joy and just strengthened, and just knowing that my daddy has me, and it's just really awesome. And you meet so many amazing girls as well. So yes.
I'm summer retreat for Pure Hearts 2014. This retreat has just been absolutely life-changing. You know, God really meets you at your point of need. He's really shown me the value of sisterhood and the beauty of being transparent and being accountable to Him. God has broken chains here, He's healed me, He's made me whole. Before this retreat, if I'm absolutely honest, I didn't really know who I was, what I was doing, and God has just shown Himself strong. He's shown me love in a way that I can't even comprehend. He's just really shown me that it is Him that is love. When He says that when we think about God being love, He really has shown that He is to me in this retreat, and I just feel so excited and just bubbly and on fire and ready to go for Him and just be like daughter of a king all the way. And the confidence that God gives is really God confidence. Self-confidence is all that positivity stuff. There's only so much it can do, but when God really fills you up and lets you know that He's got you and that He loves you, it's the kind of confidence you can't articulate, and you just feel so accepted and valued. And I'm just so grateful that He gave me the bravery to come all the way here and get this from Him, because I won't forget this, and I won't forget how He's worked through me and healed and absolutely changed, and just the way that He worked so quickly and so just to the mind and logically and not really rational, but He's amazing. God is just amazing. I've met Him in a way that I cannot articulate, but He is just Father. Like, that's one word that stuck out to me, is Father. He's so ready to be Daddy to me, and I'm so excited that I'm finally letting go and letting Him be. It's just been amazing. If you're gonna come, go and pray and ask God that.
Even heard of Pure Hearts, and let alone going on a retreat with them, but the leaders were so welcoming, so real. Like, you could see the passion that they had, not only for Christ but for people, and they just wanted to bring out the best in everyone, and everyone was just working together as not only Christians but as women of God that like just had genuine love for each other. And it just proved to show how the Spirit of God can work where there is unity, where there is a passion for His name, and when we are gathered in His name, He will work. So if you're thinking about coming to Pure Heart, don't think no longer. Like, that is a conviction. You know, this is a long time thing that's going to be dwelling in your life. So I say go for it.
Hey, I just finished from the Pure Hearts retreat, and it was actually amazing. Like, if you want that closeness, that, you know, it's relaxing, and you want your relationship to be restored with God, then I definitely advise you to come on in. Like, literally whatever stage.
Hi guys, I'm Kanaya and we just finished the Pure Hearts 2014 Restoration Retreat. It was absolutely amazing. I feel like God has really exposed the purpose that He's given to me. I feel like I can go out there and reach others, and I'm so grateful. The Pure Hearts team, God will bless them. Make sure you come to the next retreat. I might be there if they allow me. But yeah, God bless you guys.
Shouts of glory and our work on you've been faithful, Lord. Sanctuary for you.
Lord, I try so hard to be the best that I could be. It's like every time I take one step, something's right in front of me. Lord, where would I be without your grace and mercy? Oh, now I have one question, Lord, why? You changed my whole life. Oh, you made my wrongs right. And for the rest of my life, I'll never know why. You made something out of nothing. Oh, nothing. You made something out of nothing. You spoke and I was so. Why I'll never know. My life was headed out of control. Somehow I shifted into overload. But then you came and did a work in me. Out of everything I once was, somehow you saw a masterpiece. You changed my whole life. Oh, you made my roads right, Lord. I never know why. Oh God, I wanna know. Thank you, Lord, nothing. You made something out of nothing. With my head held high and my hands lifted in the air, I give you all the praise. You're the only one that could have led me out of this maze. And what you saw in me, I don't know. But Lord, I'm glad that you saw it. And every piece of me that was a mystery. Oh, Lord, you saw that. You changed my whole life. Yeah. You made my own right. Oh, God, I owe you. I'll never know, I'll never know, I'll never know, I'll never know. You made something out of nothing. Yes, you did. You made something out of nothing. Yeah.